This tutorial teaches only a small portion of this dance. This is not a tutorial for the full dance.
Hop on your right foot as you swing your left leg up in front of your right knee and curve your right hand inward in front of your chest and up to bring your hand behind your head so that your elbow points straight out to the right. Keeping your right hand behind your head, bring your left foot down, then repeat this move in the opposite direction. Repeat the previous leg movements as you bring both hands to your chest near your shoulders, elbows out to either side, on the shun of generation. Then drop your hands to your hips on love before making a heart with your hands in front of your chest. Bring your right foot back down and bring both hands together on your chest. Shake your hips to the right then left twice, then once more as you point at the camera with the index finger of your right hand, extending your arm out toward the camera. With your right arm fully extended, drop your left hand. Cross your left arm in front of your right arm so that your left elbow is pointed to the left and your right elbow is pointed down. Then repeat the leg swings from the previous section while moving your arms up and down in that position. Turn to the right as you bring your right foot down and extend your left arm straight back with your index and middle fingers extended. Swing your arm in a full clockwise circle and then up a bit more so that it is extended straight up. Drop your arm so that it is extended straight out toward the camera as you bend your knees a bit, then straighten your knees. Bring both hands to your chest as you quickly step in place on your right, then left, then right, then left foot. Punch up with your right fist. Repeat the first 8 counts of section 1. Bring your right foot back down. While shaking your hips back and forth, extend both arms straight up, palms facing in, as you slowly curl your fingers in and pull your arms down for 2 counts. Quickly do these arm movements 2 more times. Repeat section 2, but don't punch up on the last count.